Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can install a font into CapCut PC. So I'm just going to search for a font that I want. I meant to type in beach. Okay, I really like... I actually like this one. Download it. And open up your files here. Select the file and you're going to install it. Go to CapCut and close it first and then reopen the app. You do have to do this. Select the file that you want to edit. Whoa, sorry. Go to text, add in your default text. And just find the font here. And that is it, really. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.